Rice and mung dal are staples in many cultures, and for good reason. They're packed with nutrients and easy to digest. This makes them perfect for a gentle body cleanse. Brown rice provides fiber. This helps regulate digestion and keeps you feeling full. Moong dal is a powerhouse of protein. It's also low in fat, making it ideal for cleansing. This cleanse is not about deprivation. It's about nourishing your body with wholesome foods. As you enjoy this cleanse, you'll be giving your digestive system a break. This can lead to increased energy levels, improved digestion, and a feeling of lightness. Proper soaking and cooking enhance the digestibility of rice and mung dal. Start by rinsing 1 cup of brown rice and half a cup of mung dal. Soak them separately in water for at least 6 hours or overnight. Soaking breaks down complex sugars, making them easier to digest. After soaking, drain and rinse the rice and dal. Add them to a pot with 4 cups of water. Bring to a boil, then simmer covered for 30 minutes, or until the rice and dal are tender. You can add a pinch of turmeric for its anti-inflammatory properties. This cleanse is designed to be simple and easy to follow. For breakfast, enjoy a bowl of the cooked rice and mung dal. You can add a sprinkle of cinnamon for sweetness. Lunch can be a large salad with a variety of colorful vegetables. Include leafy greens, cucumbers, tomatoes, and carrots. Dress it with a light lemon tahini dressing. For dinner, have another serving of the rice and mung dal. You can add steamed vegetables for variety. Throughout the day, stay hydrated with water. Herbal teas like ginger and chamomile are also soothing options. Avoid caffeine, sugary drinks, processed foods, and dairy during this cleanse. The ideal duration for this cleanse can vary. Start with a week and see how your body responds. You can continue for up to a month if you feel comfortable. Remember to listen to your body. If you experience any discomfort, stop and consult your doctor. This cleanse is gentle and effective. It's a great way to reset your digestion and nourish your body. By incorporating simple, wholesome foods, you're taking a proactive step towards better health. Remember, a healthy gut is a happy gut.